Here we are in Newport Harbor, photographing the boats in the harbor. It's all about pattern, shapes, textures, and color. It's just a fantastic experience. This is one of my favorite harbors to come to because the boats are so accessible. Right now it's a weekday, and so there's a lot of crewmen around working on the boats. And so we have to be a little bit careful of what we're doing, but still, it's a fantastic experience. And there's even some friends here to greet us when we showed up. And here you are. So when you're here doing this kind of work, a lot of it is really about pattern, shapes, textures, and colors. And so you need to slow down and really look for interesting pattern, shapes, textures, and colors. It's not about the physical subject itself, but it's about the arrangement of, cool shapes, like really fun patterns, like these ropes right behind me. You can see just right over my shoulder. These hanging from the side of a boat are fantastic. We just got to zoom in really close to them and create a composition of pleasing patterns in that rope, because it's all about a repeating pattern, the way the rope is woven, and the way you arrange that in the comp is really what can make you happy with it. Or there's cable. There's lots of spools of rusted cable here, which also make for a fantastic subject. All right, so here we are up in Cape Perpetua. We're up at the top of the Cape, and a lot of fog up here, which is wonderful. We decided to bail on the beach and come up and do a little forest fog photography. So, just like any forest photography, I'm looking for isolation, simplification. I'm looking to create separation between the trees and just have a wonderful time playing with the ephemeral fog. Well, here we are at Bob beach, Bob Creek Beach to be specific, and this is an epic low tide, lower than I've seen in many, many, many years, and it allows access out into rocks that are normally buried or submerged, if you will, under the water. And I'm seeing the size of starfish, the size of anemone out here is just incredible, because they generally live submerged most of their lives, and so they grow huge. And this is just a macro fiesta out here on these rocks. It's absolutely incredible. So take a look at a few of these pictures and let me know what you think.